Right, it's that time of the year where I have to go through each of the catalogues to show you what will be staying and what will be leaving. So let's take a flip down. I'm going to do this over 2 videos because, you know, it's just going to be too long otherwise. So, hey, right, so let's have a look at my desk. Oh, let's put me there as well. There we are. So this is the new beautiful catalogue. This goes live on the 1st of May to customers. If you want to get your hands on it sooner than that, very late on the 1st of April, like 11 o'clock at night, you will be able to see a pre-order list. It's not everything, it's a lot of things. And you can put it in your starter kit. Anywho, let's pop that light up. I'm going to go through the mini catalogue first. Now, bear with me, this is going to be long. So, Be Mine, we're starting on page 9. Be Mine, everything is going, apart from the stamp set and punch. The square pillow boxes will be minus 30%, so £5.25, and you can start shopping these on, I want to say, the 8th of April. I think it's the 8th of April. Now, this is important. There are some price changes between the current catalogue and the old catalogue. One of the things that is changing in price are punches. They are going up. Things never go down. So the Be My Valentine's stamp set and punch are carrying over, but if you want the punch, get the bundle now, because the punch will go from £21 to £23 in the new catalogue. Sending Love stamp set and dies are carrying over, but obviously if you want them, get the bundle now. Heartfelt Hexagon, I don't know what's happening to the stamp set because it's not on the last chance list. It may be going on as an online exclusive, I don't know, or online only, I suppose. The punch will be going up to £22, so if you want that, get it now. Hooray for Surprises is carrying over. The prices are not changing, so if you want it now at a discount, get the bundle. Forever Love is all going, apart from the metallic ribbon, the pretty peacock and gold metallic ribbon, which is staying the same price, and the foiled gems, again staying the same price. The other bits are going, but no reduction. The Lifetime of Love stamp set is carrying over, as are the dies. No price change. If you want to get it at a discount, get the bundle now. Ditto the Delicate Forest. Okay, Brayering. The Adoring Heart stamp set and dies, dies are staying. Stamp set carries over, same price. Hybrid embossing folder and dies carry over. The Thoughtful Moment folder and Thoughtful Moment folder and dies are staying, as is the Brayer. If you want the bundle, obviously get that now. It's all a bit confusing, sorry. Hills of Tuscany is going. Wild Ferns is staying. Prices haven't changed, so if you want them at a reduction, get the bundle now. Paper Butterfly Accents are carrying over. The Fine Shimmer Gems are carrying over. The Designer Series Paper, surprisingly, is carrying over. No change in prices. The Perennial Lavender stamp set and dies are carrying over. The bundle price is not. The Perennial Postage stamps are not carrying over. 30% reduction to £16.10. The dies are staying. So if you want this now, get it as a stamp set and dies. Don't get the bundle. Easter Lilies, because the dies are, well, they're both going, because the dies have 50% off to just £16. If you want them, get the stamps and dies separately, not the bundle. Ditto the Excellent Eggs. Both the stamp set and the dies are reducing. Stamp set £15.40, The dies £9.60. That's 60% off. So please get those separately. Everyday details, both the stamp set and die are carrying over. Don't know what's happening to blueberry bunches, possibly going online. Cake Fancy is carrying over. Flower Cart is carrying over, but the bundle isn't. Lighter Than Air, the Baker's Twine and the Dots are carrying over. Nothing else. Oh no, hang on, the paper isn't, but it's staying at £11.75 whilst it's reduced, or going rather, whilst it's still available. So the Baker's Twine and Dots are carrying over, as are the stamp set and dies. So obviously if you want those as a saving, get the bundle now. Filled with Happiness stamp set is going, reduced to £13.30. The Modern Oval Punch is staying but is increasing by £1 to £22. Don't know what's happening to Love This Moment. I'm assuming it's going to go online. Ice Cream Swirl is carrying over. Same rules as apply as far as the bundle is concerned. Get it now. Enduring Beauty stamp set staying. So are the dies. So are the decorative masks, but they're going up to £11.75. The bundle obviously is going. Where are we? Nature's Sweetness bundle going. Leather trim is going, but no reduction. The bundle obviously is going. Second bundle. The adhesive back dots are going, no reduction. Nature's Sweetness paper is carrying over at the same price. Lovely and Sweet is carrying over. If you want it, get the bundle now. The Notes of Nature stamp set is going, as are the dies, no reduction, so if you want them, get them now. Sweet Thoughts, Memories and More cards and envelopes are both reduced by 30% to £6.65 each. Let's Chat, which I've only just ordered, 30% off at £12.60. Doggone Friendly is carrying over, as is Botanical Beauty, no change in price. Mini Alphabet Dies carrying over. Planted Paradise carrying over, no change in price. Just Kiddin' Iridescent Foil Gems are carrying over. The paper is not and isn't reduced. The stamp sets are carrying over, no change in price. If you want it, get the bundle now. Ditto Bright Skies, no change in price, but bundle is going. Right, Submarine Life, the stamp sets are carrying over. The Punch is carrying over, but it's going up to £23. Get the bundle price now. Ditto Cute as Cows, the stamp set is going, the Punch is going up to £23. Get it now. The Rock and Roll Suite, I'm Devastated, is going because I loved it. The paper is down by 10% to £10.58. The stamp set is down by 30% to £16.10. The dies are down 50% to £13.50. So if you want them, get them as individual items. Trusty Tools is carrying over, but obviously not the bundle. I don't know what's happening to Cap and Gown, so I'm assuming it's going online. Don't know. Beach Day is carrying over, but the bundle is not. Cliffs by the Ocean is going 30% off, £16.10. Poetic Expressions is going. The Champagne Iridescent Dots are staying. Paper isn't reduced, but is going. Now, the stamp set, Thoughtful Expressions, is staying, but the dies are not and are 40% off at £21, or will be when the last chance list goes live. So if you want both of these, assuming they're still both available when the last chance list goes live, I would get the dies and the stamps separately. Quiet Reflection, again, I can't see on the retirement list, so I can only assume it's going online. Stippled Roses is carrying over, but the bundle isn't. Inspirational Sketches carrying over. Right, we'll come back to machines. This is all the stuff that is bundles, so we are there. Phew! So that is the mini catalogue. I will be back with an annual catalogue one, or may have already posted it, who knows, but I will be doing a separate annual catalogue one. Until then, bye for now. I'm trying to get my end screen to come up. There we go. Bye for now.